everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm sharing with you guys something early, which I really love, is coupon previews. Now I found a website that had the preview for the coupons that are coming out this Sunday. I just Google it, coupon inserts for the date, so I just did coupon inserts for 6/16/19, and the website that brought me is grocery-coupons.guide without an e.com. And it brought me to two separate websites. I got the Retail Me Not and the Smart Source. So this is what's coming out in the Retail Me Not. Now we are getting two inserts. I'm not going to say it's the greatest week for inserts, but it's still, you know, a decent week. I actually got an opportunity to get inserts somewhere else this weekend, so I'm going to try to do it because some of these coupons I never get with the inserts that I get anyways. So let's just dig in the Retail Me Not. So we're getting all coupons, which I really like, and I never get those coupons. We got a 2 off of 2 or Snuggle products, a 2 off of 2, and then we have just regular 1 off of 1. Benefiber, Citrusol, Crest, we're getting a 2 off of 1 gum and sensitivity, or just a regular $1 off of 1. X-Lax, Excedrin, we're getting a 2 off of 1 and then a $1.50 off of 1. And then we have Garnier, the hair coloring, and then we have Whole Blends for 4 off of 2, which is a great coupon. Guess X, L'Oreal, which it looks like it's all the hair dye, and then we're getting an M&M's 1 off of 2. Persil, which I'm excited about, but it's only a 3 off of 1, and then we have a $1 off of 1, which I'm excited because I never get Persil coupons, so I'm really excited to get those. And then we have Quilted Northern for 50 cents. So that is what is going to be in the Retail Me Not. Now we have the Smart Source, which is just a little thing. We've got Aunt Jemima syrup. We got Clairol, 6 off of 2, nice and easy, 2 off of 1, and then 2 off of 1. The 6 off of 2 is not as good as the one that's going on right now as the buy one get one, but hey, 6 off of 2, we'll take it. Another Clairol coupon for 6 off of 2. Here we got Cortisone, Domino, which is sugar, Java House, Luigi's, Texas Pete, Terra, Tears, and Veet. So it's not the greatest haul, or not the greatest inserts this week, but hey, it's still pretty decent. I'm excited about the Red Plum, especially with the all coupons and the Persil. So, and then I like the Garnier too. So hope you guys can enjoy this, but just Google it and you guys can find some websites too that will take you right to it. Have a nice day and see you guys later. Bye bye.